Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook and Messenger at once. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Facebook. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on my menu at the below right corner. And from here, I'm going to just go ahead to the settings gear at the top right. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the account center or meta. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click personal details, and you're going to see multiple options. Click on account ownership and control. And from here, you're going to see two options. Just go ahead to the deactivation or deletion. And from here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the account that I want to deactivate, and I'm going to just go ahead to this one, and I'm going to just go ahead into continuing to deactivate this account, and I'm going to just continue and just go ahead and enter your own password for this Facebook. All right, and you're gonna state your purpose why. All right, and I'm gonna just click explain others, and I'm gonna just go ahead and say I want to deactivate, for example, Messenger only, right? So basically you're gonna just continue, and you're gonna just add the password and confirm that you want to deactivate this account. The same step we gotta just do in your Messenger. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Messenger app, click the three bars at the top right, and from here just go ahead to your settings here at the top right. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the account center or meta. Same steps, just go ahead to personal details, account ownership and control, and from here you're gonna see deactivation or deletion. Select the account and basically click deactivate the account and continue, and add the password that you want for for your account on Facebook. And you're gonna just add the purpose, which is I want to only to deactivate okay, I want to deactivate Facebook only. All right, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and continue, and basically that's it. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.